January 23rd-ish. This is black walnut, just milled it. Doesn't look like much until you get water on it. It looked okay. It looked like oak without water on it. Yeah. Then, got all this milled. Stuff is very pretty. Anyhow. All of this and that stack just inside the overhang came off of there, and I believe that is also, and then some of these are bright green, same tree. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try and cut this, and we got to rotate it. I'm going to try and get a nice looking 90 out of it. Here's labor. Go ahead. I don't know what we're up to. I don't think it's 1,000. I think it's probably around 700 board feet now. I think we started around 250. Maybe we did 500 today. Probably not, so it's around 700, especially if we include the tops and the bottoms.
So at least 700.